Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist, here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the Ringke Onyx Galaxy A52 case as I purchased it from Amazon here in the UK. So Ringke is a brand we know well. Let's see what's inside the package of this Onyx case. Now, as well as the case itself, we have a card with some discounts and highlighting all the key products Ringke make for smartwatches, smartphones, and other portable devices. Let's have a look at the case itself. It has some detailing with the Ringke branding around the camera module. It has what is a sort of rough back, so it's not very slippy, for holding on the back, and that's reflected on the sides and the inside. There's no microfiber lining on this case as we've seen with other cases similar to this, but this seems to be quite a solid case for the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. So I'm going to pop it in now. Here we go. So there we have the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G on this Onyx case from Ringke. And I have to say, it feels good. It feels quite good to hold. Now, the button cutouts are as we would expect. There is a lanyard hole at the bottom right of the case and at the bottom left. So this is really quite handy if you'd like to wear your phone on a lanyard to have that loop. Not only that, we have perfect cutout for the courage port or 3.5mm audio jack for your earphones, microphone, USB Type-C and speaker. And at the top there's a cutout in the right place for the microphone hole. So I'd say overall good feel in the hand, it feels good to hold. Plenty of cushioning on the corners and a slightly raised corner on all three corners that aren't the camera module. So my impression is that this will do a good job of keeping the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G safe whilst I'm reviewing it. Now, in terms of screen, there is just a little bit of a raising around the edges, so it's not you're not putting your phone down on its screen unless you're on an uneven surface. So that side of the case works as expected. Let's have a look at how the buttons work. So on off, that works as expected. Let's see the volume rocker, no stickiness here. It works great. So I'd say this is a good case for the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. It's down to your personal choice. I wouldn't choose this one myself. I might go back to wear it using the Ringke Fusion X case because it shows off that full awesome blue or baby blue back to the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. But that's just a personal opinion. In terms of protection, it seems to do the job, and to have plenty of cushioning for the corners, which is where people most often tend to smash their phones. So I think this is a decent case. We'll have a link to where you can purchase that on Amazon UK in the description. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or would like to know more, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. But for now, thank you for watching and goodbye from me.